This is John with WTI, and I always like peanuts, but one of the things and problems that I've always had with peanuts is that mostly they're always so coated with salt. It's high on salt. Until I found this one from Planters, and this is a throwback a feeling that I've had. I remember my dad used to love these guys, but just with salt. So when I found these ones that they were coated in salt, but a little bit of infused with honey, I was a bit curious about how it is. And when I tried this, it's just awesome. The flavor that it gets is that the taste at first is going to be salty, like normal it would be. And at the end, it would turn the little bit of the sweetness of the honey. So I would just be craving this all the time while I'm in my desk. Whenever I can see these guys around, I even put this into oatmeals that I constantly eat oatmeal, and just to give this little twist or flavor. And so if you really want to eat your peanuts in a different way that is gonna be a different flavor, this guy is a great one. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.